So here we have a DD13, and we're going to have to take off the tube connecting the exhaust and intake. Now we can put our adapters on. We're going to put on this side the exhaust a 910-17-1 adapter, and on the intake a 910-50 adapter. Then we connect up the sprayer and the diverter for the EGR flush system. And once we do that, this side is done. Then we go to the other side and open the EGR valve so the solution can come out.
Because the EGR valve, I think there's a rod on it and it opens the EGR. We need to open the EGR 100%. Okay. Yeah.
So once you're able to open the EGR valve completely, then the solution can run through the EGR system and clean all the carbon and soot out. We also need to unhook the exhaust before the DPF so all that carbon can flush out. And if you find any plugs deleting the system, remove them so you can flush the entire EGR system and return it to normal operating condition.